Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Mentor. I know you have been waiting for today's hearing and it had happened and it got over also. And I think most of you already know the final outcome because you have been closely watching the current updates. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is the update from Live Law media that gives current update about Supreme Court proceeding. So they have directed for listing the hearing of the court proceeding on 6th of January 2022. This mistake 2021 is the past date, so it's 6th of January 2022. So hearing finally could happen today in Supreme Court, and there were multiple matters. Okay, one matter was regarding. I will let me show you the screenshot. So here you can see Supreme Court says 4 weeks were needed for this exercise. Pending this, and the date for counseling shall remain postponed. This is very important. Date for counseling shall remain postponed. Date stand postponed in the view of assurance which was made at the earlier stage. So they gave 4 weeks of time for Government of India to revisit the point they made, and is regarding with EWS where the income limit was 8 lakhs. Okay, so 4 weeks of time given to Government of India, and accordingly let it be listed on January 6, 2022. So which is around 40 days from now, and you can see another screenshot where advocate Apurva Karol raised the issue of counseling being stalled, and the issue was raised before the panel, but there was no any decision regarding interim order. We have been talking about interim order may be published for the counseling process to start or resume. Okay, and let the court proceeding continue with their own pace. If they want to take 1 year of time, they could take 1 year of time, but at least the counseling procedure must resume. Take an example of MDS counseling got delayed so much because the result got published for MDS on 31st of December in the year of last year 2020, and they waited for around 8 months. Then finally, with the direction of Supreme Court, they started the proceeding for counseling, and it was without any conclusion over OBC EWC reservation. So in the same fashion, they could have started the counseling process for NEET PG 2021 also. On other hand, we can see the result got published from INICET in just a week of time or less. Okay, and they will start the process also, counseling process also, and definitely they will complete the counseling process before NEET PG 2021 counseling process. So it's very much of delay, and somehow the management authority who are responsible for the counseling process, they should take initiative, and they should get some kind of like go ahead from Supreme Court or whoever authorized to give go ahead for the counseling process, being this court proceeding being on hold for as long as they want to keep it on hold. But the counseling must start. That is the demand of the candidates, because not only PG candidates but UG candidates are also suffering. Those who are like just 12 pass out, and their number is 8 lakhs, and PG candidates number who qualified around 80 to 90. So you can say approx 9 lakhs candidates and their parents. If you consider like one family, so these many families are suffering. So it's a huge crowd who served during the COVID pandemic as a frontline warrior, and you appreciated them. You gave them 100 days of appreciation certificate, but now in return they are not able to get the seat. They are having a right over taking it, and unnecessarily the time is getting wasted. So there must be some decision, and I can quote it, interim order for the counseling process to start. So don't get so much of hopeless. Okay, I believe it won't be like need to wait for until 6th of January 2022, which is next year, and then we have 2022 NEET PG exam schedule already, which is in March, mid of March. So it will be almost impossible to conduct the counseling process and start the examination in just the gap of like 1 month of time. So I believe there will be some initiative taken by either government of India or some body or like a group of students, NEET PG candidates. They will be taking some initiative in order to get a clearance or go ahead from Supreme Court or some authority to let the process continue for the counseling, and both can go parallel. The court case and the counseling both can go parallel, and in the next year we can have a conclusion or the decision or judgment from Supreme Court on the court case, and from the next year 2022 counseling process we can implement EWS and OBC all the rules which we have taken decision on. So it should go in that way. So be hopeful that some initiative will be taken by some of the authority, and we have to be also in part of that proceeding, so that we can be hopeful of counseling getting started before 6th of January 2022. Because if we are waiting until January 2022, it's so much of wait, and it's very tiring period. Candidates are not very sure whether they should go for next year preparation or they should join a job. Okay, or they should because even you go for preparation, you will be in two mind. You are not sure about your preparation because you won't be able to focus 100%, and the examination is so near. You may be doubtful that how much improvement you can make in next year. At the same time, those candidates who are going for next year, and so it will be so much of competition getting increased next year. So even if you are able to improve the score, your ultimate rank won't be improved that much in that ratio. So that's also problem. So considering these all things, I am requesting all of you to raise a point to the decision maker, maybe it's MCC, NBE or Supreme Court, to let the counseling process start as soon as possible. So with this note, I am just ending this video, and requesting all of you to keep patience. Okay, some good news will come in the recent time. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day.